Hello everyone. So today we will go through the FIA data of 19th of March. Okay. So what I have done is, so this is the Excel sheet which I have maintained from last Feb 10th. Okay. So what is this data? This is basically the um, FIA participant data, right? So Penbo participant data. So the participants are FII, pros, clients, and DII. DII is not mentioned here. So I'm just looking at FII, pro and clients data. So under FII, we have the FII index futures net OI. So this is combined of all the future indices like mid cap, bank nifty, fin cap, everything. Okay, then we have this call OI, put OI. Okay. And so same way, when we have the data for index features and client index, the pros and the clients. Okay. So I have updated today's data. Okay. So 19th. So I am getting the source of this data is from Sensible. Okay. Uh, so this is Sensible data. Okay. So let me explain something about this Sensible data. So Sensible provides you their data from for 1 month. Okay, so you can see this from 17th to 19th, 17th Feb to 17th, 19th Feb. So all the previous data will go away. Okay, only one month's data is maintained. So that's why I have kept everything in Excel sheet so that we can analyze the how the future indices are of the FI data or pros data are changing, right? So within the you see this Excel sheet, you can see how they are changing. For example, FI data, FI or net short on index futures. Okay, so they are little varying around 2 lakh. Okay, 2 lakh contracts. So, so today is the least 128. So this minus indicates short positions. Okay, so 1,28,000. So 1,28,000. So that's the least last 1 month or so. Yeah, more than 1 month. Okay, so let's analyze this. What I have done is, so I'm creating how I'm creating this Excel website. So I go to so every day and see so index futures. So it's the net 128, 1,28,000, right? So 1,28,000. We have 1,28,000 here under FII index futures net Y. Then call Y. Okay. So the call Y is here. Okay. So the call Y is 2,83,000. So 2,83,000. Okay, so the plus is that they're long on call options. Then put options 2,91,000, 2,91,000. Now similarly, I put across all the parameters like index pros have index futures minus 3. So sign is important because it will give you the indication of whether it is a short or a long. Okay, so yeah, like that I have updated for pros and clients. I'm interested people can look into DIs as well. Okay. So now, so what has happened today? Okay, let's see last 2, 3 days data. Okay, so what they are doing, FIs are slowly reducing their index shorts. Okay, so they are net short, but the sentiment is definitely turning um, towards bullishness, right? So that's why Nifty is also moving up. Uh, so they are actually covering the shorts, right? So you see from yesterday to today, I think so they have covered almost to 13,000 to 13,000 contracts. And if you see call OI, so the call OI has gradually increased. Okay, so Today they have added around 83 long contracts in fall. Then FII puts, okay, even they have added the puts. So they have added on both the sides. So they're long on calls as well as puts. If you see, they're mostly buyers. They never have sold. See, they might have sold intraday, but the net positions are still on there on the buy side with respect to the call options. Okay. So if you see the change in OI for FII is 83,000, right? So they have added 83,000 long calls and they have added roughly 50, not 50, 47,000 um, uh, put longs. Okay, so the ratio is towards call, right? So this is bullish with respect to options, right? So because they have added more calls than the puts. So roughly, I mean, their calls are double, and they have reduced the index shorts, right? So net they are bullish with today's positions, okay? And yesterday was also it's a bullish position. Okay, now let's come to the interesting thing, the pros, right? So if you see last 3 days data from 13th onwards, right? So 12th they were see, index-wise, there is no doubt they are carrying shorts. Okay, they are increased shorts, but they are actually increasing in a very feeble quantity, not a major thing. But when you see the option side, uh, on 12th they were short. Okay, so then they started adding, and on 17th they added almost 1,29,000 contracts. Okay, not now, 1,25,000 contracts, long calls, okay? And again, they added 60,000 on 18th, and today they have unwound almost 1 lakh, okay? 1 lakh, 1,08,000 like this. They have unwound the calls, okay? So maybe they would have put profits from yesterday's, right? And when it comes to puts, they have added puts actually. So 2,13,000 and 2,62,000 or 50,000 contracts have added on put side. So from call side and put side, if you see, um, sentiment is kind of their booked profits, but they because they have added put shorts. Chances are there that the lower levels can hold. Okay, the sentiment here definitely is based on this. Okay, so they are not expecting much, but still they have 86,000 of long calls. Okay, so that's still a bullish case when it comes to call OI. Okay, and they have added put OI, right? So that anyways is saying that there will be support some while if Nifty falls. Okay. Then okay, futures as I told they're net short. So it's kind of a neutral position on pros. Barring that, I mean they have still have the calls. Okay, and the put shorts. Okay, so that's the pros positions. Next is clients. So clients are slowly reducing their long index futures. Okay. So you see from 13th onwards, they're reducing and today and yesterday also they have reduced. Okay. And when it comes to call over, so this is a big worry. Okay. So they are still holding on to their call shorts. Um, Not sure which week contract they are holding on. So things will be clear after tomorrow's expiry. But still they are holding on. Okay. So any up move, these could be a problem. Okay. Then because FIs are bullish and pros are mildly bullish because of the long contracts. And when it comes to client put OI, um, they are they had reduced a very big quantity last yesterday, but today they have added small quantity of put shorts. Okay, net, see what I say is it's a buy or dips in case of any dip is coming. So which level we need to buy? So we will not go through with this FIA data. So we should use your own technicals to find what levels you are going to go along. Okay, so there a lot of unwinding has happened in 22 500 call and 22 500 put also has a lot of ROI. So in any case of any big cut, 22 500 should offer some support. Yeah, so that's the overall view. Thank you.